got 6 facings. Full facings. That's a little bit shorter one there. It's about 7 feet. Them are all 8, and I did put one up on this side over here. But that was just this end part here. I think there's going to be more wood here than I actually estimated. So just on the other side of that wheelbarrow was the end edge of the pile. And I got all those ricks out of just that section there. So I got all this right here to go. And I'm going to have to let the snow melt here, because what I'm going to do is there's going to be a line right here, just another facing all the way across right there. And then I'm sure I'll have more left over. And then I'll start putting facings over on this side over here. And I do have to pull some of this out and put in my shed. Because what I do is I generally store it out here, you know, in the outside, in the elements with the sun and the rain and all that. And then prior to winter, I fill my shed up, my storage shed for my burning supply. And I got about half of it already filled, so I think I'll need probably about 4.5 cords for next winter to put in there. And you know, I got oak over here, and I got some hardwood over here too, so it'll be all it's going on its 3rd year now, so it'll be nice and seasoned. And I store it over on this side and over here. So I gotta get that all filled up, the rest of that, get these ricks pulled, and then stack all that tamarack. Woodpecker. That's the one I filled up right there yesterday. So yeah, we got dumped on. We got another probably 8 inches or so plus. But this should go, should stay on the ground for a couple days here, and that's going to warm up. So until next time. Bye.